Hello, good morning. Welcome to Dream Life Business Presentation. So this is our company name, Umizui International Incorporated, also known as and operating under the trade name Dream Life. And Dream Life is a Filipino-owned company specializing in distribution of top-quality health, wellness, and personal care products converged with technological enhancement. Duly incorporated and registered on August 12, 2016 with the Securities and Exchange Commission under company registration number CS 2016-18340. Together with the key leaders in the industry and experienced management team, the advancement of technology we use in our system is poised to be the benchmark in the industry. Ito po yung opisina natin sa Cebu po, and ito po yung lobby. Ayan, and ito po yung nasa labas. So sobrang laki po ng opisina natin. This is the proof that we are 100% legit. Vision: Dream Life is dedicated to become the #1 company for our clients, members, stakeholders, community, and the rest of the world. Dream Life works to provide and distribute top-of-the-line health, wellness, and personal care products while also providing cost-efficient and quality technological enhancement to the market we serve. Mission: Dream Life is committed to bring you the best organization that gives a remarkable opportunity and a wide array of product and services under one roof. With a profitable marketing and earning program, Dream Life is positioned to take its real distributors to a global level of interaction in the multi-level marketing industry. Dream Life will be a globally recognized brand that adheres with the highest level of standard and business ethics. Core values: your dreams, our passion, your future. Ito po yung mga certification na nagpapatunay po na legit po si Dream Life, and if you want a clear copy of the certification, just contact your personal known distributor. And ito po yung people behind o yung may-ari ng ating company. Ito po yung chairman natin, si Paul D. Mascareñas. Isa lang naman po siyang anak ng presidente ng Chooks to Go Philippines. Alam naman po natin na ang Chooks to Go Philippines is a multi-billion company, an international roasted chicken distributor, and the #1 roasted chicken seller in the country. He is also a graduate of De La Salle University in getting master's degree at Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. Ensures the company a strong foundation of intellectual chief personnel and the board of directors. Ito naman po yung ating presidente, si Sir Ren Aranche or Alvin Roy Aranche. Has 12 years multi-level marketing experience and a top caliber network builder who has established a prominent name for himself in the industry. After graduating in the medical field, he found his passion in network marketing and used this as a tool to empower people. As President and CEO, he makes sure that our company continues to deliver world-class products with the aim of providing profitable business for Filipinos around the globe. Let's proceed to our product lines. Ito po yung first product natin, Rice and Coffee Mix. Pwede po siya sa hot and cold. Ito naman po yung vitamins natin na Complete C. And ito naman po yung ating Pearl Premium Bar Soap. Ito naman po yung Guard of Herbal Soap natin. And ito naman po yung Pearl White Body Cream na may instant whitening, sunscreen, bleaching, and perfume. Ito naman po yung ating Perfect Plus Gold. And ito naman po yung ating perfume na 60 ml. And meron po tayong 10 ml din po. How to become a member? To become a distributor, all you need to do is to purchase a product package. You can choose from package A, B, C, D, E, and F for only 2,680 pesos with free shipping fee nationwide, and package G with shipping fee for only 80 pesos. And may kasama na din po yung online account. And ito po yung mga packages natin na pagpipilian. So pili ka po kung anong package yung gusto mong i-avail. Free shipping po yan except package G. So, our company is awarded as top 1 VIP ng J&T Express. And ito po yung nagpapatunay na sobrang daming parcels na dinideliver ng ating company every day. That's why na-awarded tayo as top 1 VIP. And compensation plan. How to earn? Meron tayong 6 ways to earn. Retail profit or direct selling, direct referral income, match sales bonus, direct overhead commission, unilevel bonus, global pool sharing. Didiscuss natin isa-isa. Direct selling. As distributor, you are entitled 50% discount on all products. For example, sa Rice and Coffee, 400 is RP price and distributor's price is 200 pesos. So, ang kuha mo sa company is 200 pesos, ang benta mo is 400. So, may kita kang 200 pesos. What if nakabenta ka ng 3 sa isang araw? So, meron kang 600 pesos na income. Number 2, direct referral income. you can start earning right away, earn as much as 200 cash on each business product package you sold with no limits to the number of packages you sell. And pwede nyo po ito makash out agad on time. For example, this is you. And may na-sponsor ka si A, bumili ng product package na 2,680. So meron ka pong kita na 200 pesos. Si B ganun din, meron ka din kita na 200 pesos. Si C ganun din, may 200 pesos ka din. So you earn a total of 600 by selling product packages to 3 of your friends. Number 3, match sales bonus. As an active distributor, you must build your dual team by personally sponsoring at least one on the left and one on the right leg business structure to start earning from matching bonus. One package is equivalent to 100 PV or point value. Formula po niya is 100 PV left and 100 PV right. Meron ka pong income na 400 pesos. For example, this is you and meron kang left group points and right group points. So for example, may nakuha ka na isa 100 PV. And sa right side, nakuha ka rin na isa, 100 PV. So, you earn matching bonus, 400 pesos. What if, the next week, nagdala ng 5 kaibigan tong tao mo sa left group? So, meron kang 5 tao sa left group. So, ngayon, may pumasok ulit na 5 sa right group, dala ng kaibigan mo. So, ngayon, may 5 din sa right group. So, you earn 2,000 pesos or 400 times 5. Ayan. So, 2,000 pesos po yung income mo. What if next month, nagdala ng 100 katao yung mga tao mo sa left group? Dito nang sa right group, may 100 tao din na napajoin. So, meron kang kita na 40,000 pesos. What if monthly na yan? So, ngayon, magpa-passive income ka na monthly kahit wala ka nang ginagawa. Ayan, no? So, 16 pairs per day. Maximum po yan. So, you earn up to 6,400 per day or maximum of 192,000 per month. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na advantage of having multiple accounts. For example, maliitan ka sa 40,000 monthly. So, ngayon, pag 1 account ka, 40,000 a month yung kikitain mo. Kapag 3 accounts ka, 120,000 a month yung kikitain mo. Kapag 7 accounts ka, 280,000 a month yung kikitain mo. Pag 15 accounts ka naman, 600,000 a month ang kikitain mo pag na-build mo yung left and right. Ayan po yung pwede mong kitain. Monthly po yan dito sa Dream Life. Question, is it possible? Big yes. Posibleng-posible po. For example, tingnan natin dito. One account, ang potential income niya po is 6,400 per day. Tama? Or 16 pairs per day. So, 192,000 per month. Kuhang-kuha ba ang 40,000 a month? Yes. Kapag 3 accounts ka naman, same effort, no? But different result. 3 accounts, potential income is 19,200 per day or 576,000 per month. Kuhang-kuha ba ang 120,000 a month? Yes. Kapag 7 accounts ka naman, nasa potential income 44,800 per day or 1,344,000 per month. Kuhang-kuha ba ang 280,000 a month? Yes. Kapag 15 accounts ka naman, nasa potential income of 96,000 per day or 2,880,000 per month, kuhang-kuha ba ang 600,000 a month? Yes. You're only allowed up to 15 accounts per name. A KYC system is also imposed by the company to ensure legitimacy of the identification of individuals and to counter dummy accounts being encoded into the system. 4. Direct overhead commission. Earn 5% overhead commission from the binary income of all your sponsored distributors and is converted into cash. For example, this is you. Ito yung direct downline mo. Yan, si sponsor A. Kumita ng 40,000 binary income or pairing bonus. So ikaw, dahil may 5% ka sa kanya, so you get an override of 2,000 pesos. Si Direct B, kumita ng 60,000. So, may 5% ka sa kanya. So, you get an override of 3,000 pesos kahit wala ka nang ginagawa dyan. Si Direct C, kumita ng 100,000 pesos. May 5% ka or 5,000 pesos. What if si Direct D kumita ng 1 million binary income? So, may 5% ka or you get an override of 50,000 pesos. So, you earn a total of 60,000 additional bonus. Number 5, yun na level bonus. Earn 10% to 20% from different level of your network. All personal and group purchases are based on product point value. First level, 20%. Second until 5th level, 10%. 6th and 7th level, 20%. Example, first level mo, ayan, 200 points, 100 PV, 500 PV, 1000 PV, 100 PV, 400 PV. Yan po yung total points ng repeat purchase. So, ikaw may 20% ka dyan or 460 pesos. 10% na po yan, no, until 5th level with dynamic compression. We have the first ever real-time unilevel maintenance is 100 points every month and must be maintained on or before the 28th of the previous month. Number 6, global pool share. 70% of the total repeat purchase points of the whole company will be shared by distributors who reach the certain level of ranking. Profit shares will be divided by 50-50. 50% will be shared to all distributors who reach the ranking, and 50% will vary from your personal repeat purchases and also depending on your rank or level position. Points are computed from all the repeat purchase of all your network until the 7th level. Accumulation of points has no time frame and with no demotion policy. For example, naging Ruby Director ka. Ruby Director ka na for the lifetime, no? Hindi na bababa yan. For example, naging Emerald ka. Emerald ka na din, hindi na din bababa yan. For example, naging Diamond ka. Diamond ka na din. For example, naging Hall of Famer ka. Hall of Famer ka na for the lifetime. Hindi na yan bababa. Okay? Meron din tayong mga travel incentive. Ito po yung Boracay promo and nakasama po tayo dito. Ayan, ito po yung nakasakay kami sa speedboat and ayan, ito naman po yung nag-drive kami ng ATV rides and ito po yung nasa dagat kami. Hindi ko po nasali dito yung nag-snorkeling kami at the same time parasailing, no? Doon sa Boracay. And syempre meron din tayong Hong Kong Macau travel incentive. And syempre meron din tayong South Korea travel incentive. And now let's proceed to proof of income. Ito po yung isa sa Team Lions members, college student, kumita po ng 1,600 one-day income. Yan po yung daily income niya, makikita nyo po sa dashboard niya. Ito naman po isang OFW, kumita ng 1,400 one-day income. Ito naman po si Coach Judy Gorospi, ayan, one-day income 1,300. Ito naman po, no, si Ma'am Gloria Marispangan, kumita ng 500 daily income. Si Sir Lawrence, 800 one-day income. Si Coach Inilina, 900 one-day income. Si Sir Japet, isang seaman po. Ngayon po, nasa barko na po siya. 600 one-day income. And ito po, si Sir Alan, isang mangingisda po. 1,400 one-day income. And ito po, isang college student, kumita na po ng 10,600. Home base lang po. Ito naman po is teacher by profession, 15,600 na po. Ito po si May Navarro, 10,120 na po yung income niya po. Ito naman si Sir Sunny, isang security guard po. Ayan po, 2,800 total income. And ito naman po yung batang-bata pa, no? 21 years old and kumita na po dito ng libo-libo sa Dream Life International Incorporated. Ayan, no? So, ito po yung nagpapatunay po na hindi po nakabasihan dito kung ilang taon ka na, no? Kung bata ka pa o matanda ka na. Basta willing ka at may pangarap ka, pwede ka dito. And ito po nagpapatunay, he was awarded as top 6 earner for the whole year 2022. And was awarded at Robinson's Galleria Cebu. Yan. And ito po, 157,000 total income. Ito naman may 449,000 total income. Ayan. Ito naman po isang doctor by profession, 2.3 million kinita. Teacher by profession, 396,000. Ito naman po 1.4 million. Ito 403,460. Ito naman ay kinita ng 1.8 million or 14 pairs yung sales match niya. Daily income niya is 4,500. Ito naman po 1.1 million. Ito naman po is 3.4 million, 'di ba? Not bad, 'di ba? Ito naman po is sa mga car achievers natin. Ayan, no? May mga car achievers na din po tayo dito sa Dream Life. Disclaimer: all income potential are mere projection based on the company's compensation plan. It is not guaranteed that you will earn as such. The mere fact that the business model will always be dependent on the time, effort, and most importantly, the production each of the distributors have generated. To ensure the longevity of the business and to protect the interests of both the company and distributors, the company may impose adjustment that may affect the said marketing plan. In order to preserve and continue the service and compensation for the distributors, the company will then announce 30 days prior before the adjustment will be done. So for more details and information, just contact yung contact number na nasa baba or the person who sent you this video.